Hey, it's Capt Mandy. Hey, we're coming back to you live just one more time on Memorial Day weekend. And what we wanted to do was, Miss Video Photographer, this is something that was very near and dear to her heart. There's probably, I'm almost 100% certain, not another 25-foot pontoon boat. Doesn't matter even if it's brand new, what the brand name is. Pretty sure there's not another pontoon boat, certainly not that one. Much bigger, much nicer, right? Yeah. Than this one. This is Miss Video Photographer's beloved outhouse or bathroom. Miss Video Photographer's going to get in there and take you a little video tour of her toilet. Look at there. Wow, isn't that beautiful?
Well, actually, you have to have bathroom on the boat.
That's right. That's what all the women say. Where's your bathroom? Where's your bathroom?
You have to have bathroom on the boat.
Have to have a bathroom on the boat.
You guys can jump in the water and pull it out, but I can't.
That's right. Yeah. We can whip it out. We can whip it out. So what we did is we got a real, true marine-rated sanitation device. It's all self-contained and has a holding tank actually underneath it. Right here, this is actually your holding tank, about a 10-gallon holding tank. We hadn't got much held in it yet, hadn't used it very much, but obviously this is going to be a real big hit with the ladies on the boat. And again, we got the freshwater tank back there behind the hatch, just a little $75 water puppy freshwater pump, and then let's watch what happens right here. Sure enough, flush, water comes on from the water puppy pump, close it right down. Add a little to the bowl if you need to. Can't get much better than that. Just like the toilet at home, or at least the toilet in the RV that your friends have or rented at one time. Great luxury to have on the boat. Great luxury. Listen, I can't tell you how many times I've done charters and we've either had an unoperable bathroom facility on the boat, no bathroom facility, and it just really totally ruined the day for all the guests on board. So 25-foot lakes craft pontoon boat from way back, and here again, that's one of Miss Video Photographer's favorite sayings: what happens on the boat stays on the boat. Hey, Capt Mandy, want to share that with you? Let us know what you think about it, folks, and we'll be back to see you soon.